50K.
It's a dog eat dog world, nigga, let's see who the fittest. I lost a few of my niggas, I guess that's what come with it. I don't really entertain beef, cause don't know business come with it. I'd rather play with Chanel and count some hundreds and fifties. Yeah, I just caught me a Benz, but now I want stars on the ceiling. Still say 28 bands in the last 4 months, no kidding. I just be kicking back, not left for real, bro, I be chillin'. Bro, don't tell me you really finna go back and forth with these children. Okay, repost came in, let's see if it's hidden. Damn, that's 3 easy bands in a day, now I'm tryna say 50. We never speak about bands on the phone, nigga, that's too risky. Nigga, you trippin'. Remember niggas being blocked, take your shit, go sell it and flip it. We gon' send a 762 or 5560 and fit it. And we still here, this a quick band on the day off a biscuit. It's a dog eat dog world, nigga, let's see who the fittest. I lost a few of my niggas, I guess that's what come with it. I don't really entertain beef, cause don't know business come with it.
I don't really entertain beef, cause don't know business come with it.